If you're looking for a new way to bake chicken breast in the oven, I highly recommend my Caprese chicken saltimbocca for a delicious twist on a traditional recipe. Preheat your oven and spray a baking dish with nonstick spray and then place your chicken breast in the baking dish. Take a couple slices of prosciutto and wrap around the chicken tightly. Then, place it back into the baking dish. Once they're all wrapped up, place them on the side and then take your cherry tomatoes and cut them all in half. You'll also want to take a bunch of garlic cloves and chop them up finely. Once that's all chopped up, take your tomatoes and then place them all around the chicken breasts. Take your minced garlic and then sprinkle over the tomatoes. And once ready, place in the preheated oven for up to half an hour until the chicken is fully baked. Remove from the oven and then scoop out all that delicious roasted tomato and garlic and place in a clean bowl. To that, add your chopped basil and your bocconcini balls, then drizzle with balsamic vinegar and sprinkle with sea salt. Stir everything to combine, and then when serving your chicken, spoon that delicious caprese mixture all over the chicken and garnish with fresh basil. The chicken ends up so juicy and the prosciutto so crispy, so find the full recipe at FrenchKissCooked.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.